Okay, so quickly we're going to talk about algebraic distribution, which is also called, so this is, if your parents have ever shown you how to multiply, this is what they showed you. And it's called FOIL, okay? So here's what FOIL stands for. F-O-I-L. Okay, so FOIL is a way for you to remember to multiply everything together. So it's first, outer, oh, I put an extra O. Okay, so that's outer, inner, last. So it's to remind you to multiply the first terms, the outside terms, the inside terms, and the last terms. Okay, so this is a way, so instead of putting it in a box, instead of putting it in a box and multiplying it that way, you just distribute, okay? So with algebraic distribution, it's not difficult, but you just have to be really careful. And you wind up getting the same thing that you would get in a box. You just don't actually draw the box. So let me show you what that looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line, draw a little rainbow connecting the first and the first. And then I multiply those together. 3 times 3 is 9. X times x is x squared. There's my first. Then I connect my outside terms. 3x times 1 is positive 3x. Now I connect my inside terms. 3x times negative 1 is negative 3x. Hold on, my computer has things to say. And then I connect my last terms. Negative 1 times positive 1 is negative 1. Okay? I think this looks like a little dude. See, look, there's his eyes and his nose and his smiley face and his ears, and he's got some weird looking eyebrow, monobrow thing happening. Okay, so I think algebraic distribution looks like a little dude. All right, now I combine my like terms. So I've only got one x squared term, so it comes straight down. I've got these two terms that I can combine because they're both x's. Well, 3x minus 3x is no x's, so this whole thing canceled out. And then I've got my constant term. So that is my final answer. Okay, let me show you another one. Okay, these all, okay, fine, we'll do it with this one. Okay, so again, first, outer, and again, I don't care if you do first, outer, inner, last. I don't care if you do LIFO, LOIF, FLOI, OLIF. I don't care what you do, as long as you do first, outer, inner, and last, all of them. So you don't, it doesn't matter what order you do them in, you just got to do them all. Okay, but I like to draw the little dude because he makes me happy. So here's my first terms. X times x is x squared. My outside terms, x times 4 is positive 4x. My inside terms, 4 times x is another positive 4x. 4 times 4 is positive 16. Oops, sorry. Now you can see it. Positive 16. Now, I combine my like terms. I have an x squared. I have a 4x and another 4x. Well, 4x plus 4x makes positive 8x's. And then I've got this one positive 16 left over. And that's the answer. Now, this one down here, the only thing I have to say about this one, and we talked about this, is remember, some of you guys are going to be like, it's x squared minus 4. No, it's not. Remember, the first thing we always do is x minus 2 times x minus 2. We expand it. Okay? So you always expand it, and then you FOIL it. Okay? We will do these two problems tomorrow in class. Wow, I think this is a new record, but I'm going to let it be.